Welcome guys, today I will take you to the Clementinum Library. It's the world's most beautiful library and it's situated in Prague. It's near the city center, near Charles Bridge. So let me take you to the Baruch Library Hall. So this hall was completed in 1722. There are around 20,000 books that are currently here. They have a collection of 5 million books. Some of them are in the warehouses, some of them are given to Google for transcription. There are 4 globes that are kept in this room, one for astronomical and the rest they are more for the continents. These globes, they don't have Australia, and America is really tiny in it. Australia is not there in their globe because at that time Australia was not discovered. So if you see the paintings on the ceilings, they are from the Bible and it is painted by Jan Hebel. So it is beautiful. We were not allowed to put flash, so I'm just trying to capture it as stable as I can, keeping the light constant. So just look around. It's really beautiful. It's peaceful. It's very peaceful as well. Closing time for the library and the lights are off. Next we go on to the astronomical room. It's also known as the Meridian Hall. It's on the 2nd floor of the tower and it's a unique room which was previously used for determining the noon, the time. This whole room, it turned into camera obscura due to the ray of sunlight that comes through a small hole up in the wall. So let's walk up. The staircase is a spiral, so you really have to be very careful. This is the room and they have the apparatus here, and if you see, there is a small hole up on the wall, if you could see, and there is a string that is attached on this white plank of wood which is not distinguishable. So the string that is attached here, it reflected the light from that hole reflected on either side of the plank and decided that whether it is noon or not. Next we went to the balcony from where we could see the entire Prague. I will try to quietly zoom in and have a panorama view of the entire city. It is really beautiful to watch the entire city from here. Like, you can stand for hours, but you are not allowed to do so, so you have to get down. So click as many as selfies you want if you are here, and just walk around the tower. Be careful, it's very narrow, but you will get an awesome view. Next, I saw some of the other parts of the library. There is a working library which is still in use. Students, they do come here and they do study, prepare notes. Next, we are just going back. It's the end of our tour to the Clementinum, and it's the old town. You see, people are back on the roads. The shops, the pubs, the clubs, the restaurants, everything is open. We're back to the astronomical clock and the old town square. It had been a beautiful day. The weather was not messy in the evening, so we could go out. I really love this place, and it's touristy, but it's Prague. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching.